Stop by and take a look at the 2026 5500. Ram 5500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, dual rear wheels, engine block heater, traction control, electronic stability control. Indulge in